Hey, what's up? I'm Grant Hardy. I bet you won't expect this, but we're just gonna get right into the video so you don't waste any of your time. What I'll do is I scroll on the For You page and find some other Limelights who've done sounds and stuff, and then I just save their sounds so I can view them later. So then, when I'm ready to film, I just scroll through my saved sounds and I pick one that I like to shoot and film and try to think of something either Wyoming related or something funny. So yeah, then it's time to just like try to find sounds.
I got in the Uber. I was, you know. Hello, I'm Zach. I'm Jack. I said, tasks. Would you rather jump off a cliff or get hit by a train?
I think I'll do this one. So you click check, and then it just shows the camera. I usually do 1x, but sometimes I do 2, sometimes I do 0.5. Actually, rarely 0.5, but you get the gist. And sometimes I pre-upload my video, so like I film this, put it into Final Cut, so first when I get out of the video. And then next step is I look at the audio just to see like what I have to say, so.
Tasks. Would you rather jump off a cliff or get hit by a train? See.
So what
Tasks. Would you rather jump off a cliff or get hit by a train?
Okay, and then you have to zoom out because, you know, then you look at the audio one more time.
See, I would probably rather not do either of those things, because...
And then...
See...
We're gonna redo that.
See, I would probably rather not do either of those things, because tasks.
I wasn't really happy with that last clip, so I'm just gonna delete it. We're gonna film it again.
See, I would probably rather not do either of those things, because tasks.
And the lighting on this video isn't that good, so I think I'm gonna export it into Final Cut. So usually what I do is I screen record the video, then end it, and go to my camera roll. Once it's done saving, okay. Then you go to the edit button at the top, and then shorten it down until it's right there. And then at the end here. Doing this with one hand is way harder than it looks. Trying to hit that button. Move. Okay. Let's go save it. And then we go over to the computer. Okay, sick. So we're gonna open up Final Cut right here. Just wait for it to load real fast, you know, this one. And here it opens up, so okay. Now, so we're gonna open up a new event and then call it TikTok. I'm bad at spelling. We're gonna do a custom format, and it's gonna be 1080 by 1920, and then it's gonna be 30 frames per second because that's what it was recorded at. Then you click OK, and then there's gonna be a new thing called TikTok. So now I have to send the footage to my computer through my phone, so I'll be right back. So now that that's done, you open up the downloads, and then go put that into your project. once it realizes that it's a video. Actually, no, like, we're gonna have to convert it because it's weird. So, we're gonna open file. Actually, wait, never mind. It did do it. Weird. But, sometimes it doesn't, but whatever. Then you drag it into the bottom thing. And then this is where I color correct, so this is where all the fun stuff goes. So this makes it more black if you turn it down. Everything that you turn down makes it like darker. And if you turn it up, it makes it brighter. But, you know, so let's see if this is a good thing. Now we're just gonna make this whole thing bigger so we can make a few edits. Then we look at where it needs to be cut. So I think so right here, we're gonna cut it. Maybe put in a little glitch effect. Actually, yeah, we're just gonna do that instead. We'll let that render up real fast, and then we'll take a look at it. Okay. Looks pretty cool, so we're gonna leave that in. And then we're gonna have a little text just to let the people know what Jonah said at the end, because it cut off just a little bit. So we're just gonna go to titles, and then custom. Go down to face, and then we're going to pick the color for the text. Maybe red, and you call it whatever you want. Just going to call it TikTok. Just make sure all the settings are right, and then click next. And then I'm just going to save it to my home screen. And then just take this, and then share it, and then airdrop it to my phone, so I'm gonna have to stop recording again. So then we click making videos and upload, and just do the last one.
Would you rather?
Once it's done processing, continue.
Would you rather jump off a cliff?
We're gonna select the sound. We go to the one we originally found. I think it's right. Yeah.
Would you rather jump off a cliff?
We're gonna see this one.
Would you rather jump off a cliff or get hit by a train?
I think we're gonna do the original one. So have lines up there.
Would you rather jump off a cliff or get hit by a train?
That's good.
See.
And then you select a cover, whichever one you want. Looks good. And then hashtags are everything. So we're gonna name this Jonah doesn't like cliffs. We don't. We hashtag one night. Hashtag not. For you. That's good. And then I think we're gonna save it to draft so I can post it later. But you get the gist. That's how I make a video. So hopefully that tutorial wasn't cringe and all. So I hope this helped. I hope if you have Final Cut this helped, but probably not. But that's how I edit my videos. Pretty sick. See you in the next one.